Hello friends, welcome to my channel Cookies and Cream. Today in this channel I am going to show you how to prepare chocolate ombre pound cake. So to prepare chocolate ombre pound cake, I am going to grease the baking tin first with butter. You can also use oil. Grease it well. So after greasing the baking tin, I am going to place a butter paper. And I am going to grease the butter paper also. So I have greased it. I am going to keep it aside. I have taken a bowl here. Into the bowl I am going to add half cup of condensed milk. And then I am going to add 1/4 cup of powdered sugar. Now I am going to add 1/4 cup of refined oil. Make sure to use unflavored oil. Do not use groundnut oil or any other kind of flavored oil. Now mix it well. Into this, I am going to add 1 cup of all-purpose flour, that is maida, and I am going to add 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 spoon of baking soda, and I am going to sieve it. Now mix it well. Now I am going to add half cup of milk into it, but I will not be adding the milk all at a time. I will be adding it gradually, little by little, and I will be whisking it. Now into this I am going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. I am going to fold it well. Now I have mixed it well. I am going to divide this batter into 3 parts. I have taken 3 bowls here. Now I have divided this into 3 equal parts. So into one part I am going to add cocoa powder, 1 tablespoon, and I am going to give it a good mix. Now it's done. I am going to keep this aside. Into another part I am going to add chocolate syrup, 2 tablespoons, and I am going to mix it. Now there's 3 different color here. Look, this is dark brown, this is little light, and this is white. Now I am going to keep it aside. I have taken 3 piping bags here. Into one of the piping bag I am going to add this white colored batter. I am going to keep it aside. I am going to fill another piping bag with this chocolate syrup and keeping it aside. I am going to fill the final piping bag with cocoa batter. So now I am going to take one of the piping bag here, the one which is having a plain batter. I have taken a baking tin here. I am going to give it a cut here, and I am going to fill the tin with this. Now I am going to take the next piping bag which is having chocolate syrup batter. I am going to give it a cut here at the end, and I am going to pour it. Now it's done. Now I am going to take the third piping bag which is having cocoa batter. I am going to give it a cut at the end. I am going to press it into it. So I have filled the baking tin with 3 different kinds of batter. I am going to tap it, and I am going to bake it at 180 degrees Celsius for 35 to 40 minutes. I have preheated the oven at 180 degrees Celsius. Now our ombre chocolate pound cake is baked. I am going to keep it aside for few minutes to cool down. Now I am going to transfer this cake into a rack. I am going to remove the parchment paper. I am going to cut the top part of it. I am going to top it with white chocolate syrup. I am going to pour the white chocolate syrup on top of it. I've taken a piping bag. I'm going to add dairy milk melted into it, and I'm going to line this with this dairy milk silk chocolate syrup. Now I'm going to transfer this into a tray, and I'm going to refrigerate it for 15 minutes. Now my ombre cake is ready. I'll cut it and show you how it looks like. Look at it, very delicious, yummy ombre chocolate pound cake is ready. If you like this recipe, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, which is Cookies and Cream. See you in the next vlog. Till then, goodbye.